girls. Today I'm going to show you a very quick box braids, just about maybe 10 or 12. I'm using this pre-stretch 7 times hair, and I just have 4 bundles of the 7 from a previous braid. This is in the color 1B30. It's ombre. So I'll just show you how to achieve this very quick, easy style. And we're going to be using a detangling spray. We use some beeswax and then a little bit of activator. You can use any gel or jam of your choice. This is what I have here available, and I'm just going to use that. If today is your first time joining us, don't forget to
like, share, and subscribe.
Keep watching, and I'll just fast forward it. Thank you. just finished dipping the hair in hot water. I'll just finish off with braid spray. So as you can see, I didn't use jam. I used beeswax. I didn't want a lot of gel in the hair. So the money should just brush the edges. And so you see, it's not very full. We use only those four, like the 4 bundles out of the 7-in-1 packs. So it still gives you the perfect volume, and the color is very nice. Okay, that will be all for today. Oh, do you have anything to say before we go?
I like the hair length.
And what are you gonna tell them?
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
See ya.